the worst kept secret in local track and field. Something not right with Elaine Thompson-Herah, who has not competed all season. Word now is that Elaine is not entered for any event at the national trials. So for all intents and purposes, Elaine will not run at this year's World Championships. The obvious question now, is this the end of the road for the fastest woman alive? She will be 36 by the next Olympics, 35 by the next World Championships after this one. What will be her motivation to get back on track? And look, Elaine Thompson-Herah is one of the greatest women to have ever put on a pair of spikes. She's still the fastest woman alive, still unparalleled back-to-back Olympic sprint double champion. But with all of that success that she tasted, these last 3 years, one can't help but think, have been wasted.